Welcome everyone. I'm here with Cesar Ortega, also known online as 3Donimus, and Tory Voight, who is the engineering program manager for Google AR/VR. Welcome guys, thanks for coming.
Thank you so
much for having us.
So Cesar, you got started as a traditional 3D artist.
That's right. I consider myself a virtual reality artist. That means that I put on a VR headset and I use motion controllers to paint in 3D space.
I'm an engineering program manager on the Google AR/VR team, and one of the things I'm really lucky to do is to work on the Artist in Residence program at Tiltbrush. We have a lot of great updates working with people like Cesar, and just really excited to be here today. Thank you so much for having us.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
And Cesar, your work is amazing. There's so many colors and you can see just so much dimension. What's it like creating pieces that complex?
It definitely takes a lot of time. None of these pieces are done in a day. They usually take 40 to 60 hours.
And do you draw them to scale?
I definitely try to. Before that, you couldn't scale the world and make things smaller. And so I actually had to get a ladder.
So how do you climb a ladder wearing a VR headset?
Very carefully. And I actually had to work around my ceiling fan so that I could actually get the leaves and everything on top of the viewer. So I definitely encourage people to start out and just take the time, and eventually everyone gets better.
We got a lot of artist feedback, community feedback from people who really wanted to push their Tiltbrush paintings, and we just naturally created the Tiltbrush Toolkit, which includes Python scripts and Unity SDK, so people can create their own music videos, their own animations. Like, it's been really exciting to see what people make.
It makes bringing things just so much easier because you don't have to worry about optimizing assets or trying to match the way they look. You just use the SDK, you bring the Tiltbrush work in, it looks exactly like it did in Tiltbrush. Just amazing.
I can't wait to see what people make in the future with it.
That's right. I'm actually in contact with a lot of the creators, and most of us are going to be using tools like Tiltbrush, blocks, with the Unity to create stories.
Well, thank you so much for joining us, you guys.
Yeah, thank you so much for having us. Really excited to be here.